My problem is always how to start. Like, how do you say hi to a camera? Let's get into it. So I've been wanting to make this video for a long time. I've been creating content for other people or brands or basically working, but never really found the motivation to start creating on my own and, you know, and just share it with you. And what's the end goal with this YouTube channel? There isn't really a goal. I've been watching YouTube for a really long time, watching other people be creative, and I feel so inspired every time, but then I don't do it myself. You know, I'm always scared of what people will think or what they will say about me, but honestly, nobody gives a fuck. You know, I'm not that important, so yeah, fuck it. So what is this video about? I basically wanted to share some of the content that I have shot for the past few months, because I've been here and there, and like I was saying, I didn't find the time to put those images together and create videos or make vlogs or tell stories. I didn't do it, but there are still some cool images that I want you to see. So we're gonna start off with South Africa. I went to South Africa with GoPro. I mean, if you told me back in 2012 that I will be collaborating with GoPro and going to South Africa, one of my dream destinations. What? My days in South Africa were amazing. We went on helicopter rides, I jumped out of an airplane, which I had never done before. We saw seals, we saw dolphins, we surfed, or I tried to. And well, I made friends in less than a week. It was a beautiful group. I'm gonna stop talking. Here's a little montage that I did of those days in South Africa. Hope you enjoy it.
Your bag by your feet.
Estamos aquí en Ciudad del Cabo. Vamos a volar en helicóptero, nada más llegar.
So yeah, those were my days in South Africa. Right after that, I went to Morocco, and I beat my record of flights taken within one day. I took 5 airplanes. That's number 1. Then
you're going from P to Cape Town?
No, to Johannesburg, Frankfurt, Barcelona, Marrakesh. Damn, that's 5. What I did in Morocco was shooting for a shoe brand called Alojas that my friend Alejandro owns. We made some videos, and yeah, it's not out yet, so I'm not gonna show you that much. And then after a few days in Barcelona, I went to LA for a really fun project with Revolve during Coachella. But I took some days off before that to just hang out with my friends, Jürgen, Xenia, Kevin and Debbie. I also filmed some stuff with them, but I never shared it. Oh, this one is up on my Instagram, so yeah, you can just check that out. From Africa. Really cool guy. We talked on Instagram like, hey, let's hang out. We are both in LA. We have nothing to do. So I spent a couple days shooting with him, and I also put a short montage of us shooting random stuff in LA.
How do I guide myself from fear? To the calm that I feel when you are near. Yeah. Come on, spend the rest of my life.
And finally, the reason why I went to Los Angeles, which was to make a video for Revolve during their Revolve Festival. It was really intense. I was working for like 15 hours a day. I barely slept for 4 days because, I mean, you work from 8 in the morning to 12 in the night, but then everybody comes for the after party. So what do? Do you go to sleep? Would you go to sleep? No, you don't go to sleep. You have this awesome party with beautiful people, beautiful girls. So you want to go to sleep? No, you stay there and party because you can sleep next week. You know, that's just how it is. Coffee in the morning and repeat the day after. It was really fun. It was so much fun to shoot in that project. It was great. So yeah, I hope I didn't make it too long. That's been my life for the past couple months. I hope to share videos with you more often, and if you like it, hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment anything, ideas, thoughts, I don't know, if you like my t-shirt, whatever, comment whatever. I really like it though. I've been wearing it for, I mean, it fits really well. That's not the point. I'm really excited about this. I really want to make videos because summer is coming and really awesome projects are coming. So I really want to share it. I want to make it. So cheers, enjoy your day, whatever day it is today. It's Wednesday for me. Yeah. See you in the next video. Perfecto.